In this video, we're going over how to use a table or graph to predict information. So our problem is Ariel babysat a lot last month, and the chart below shows how much money she earned after working different amounts of hours. So after 5 hours, she made $45, after 6 hours, $54, and after 7 hours, $63. And A says how much money would she make if she worked 4 hours. So let me add 4 over here. So let's see. So I can see that every time she works an extra hour, she's making an extra $9 because $45 plus $9 is $54. And I can see the same thing is true every time. So she worked an extra hour and then they're adding an extra $9. And so I noticed that, well, if we go backwards, we're subtracting one. Why don't we subtract $9 this time? And 45 minus 9 is $36. So that would mean that she made $36 in 4 hours. All right, B says, how much would she make if she stayed overnight and worked 12 hours? So one way is I could extend the table and go all the way up to 12. Sometimes, though, this isn't going to be the most efficient way, because what if they ask, like, if she works, like, 24 hours? Like, that would be a lot of a lot of columns that I would have to add in the table. So you could do that. Something I noticed before when I was solving this is that, like, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45, 6 times 9 is 54, and that's going to be true every time because it's growing at the same rate. So I could say, well, 12 times 9 is $108. Another way to solve these is we could use the data on a graph. So I've already graphed the first 3 points for 5, 6, and 7 hours. So I'm just going to draw a line through these and extend the data. And this isn't going to be perfect because I graphed this by hand and I just kind of estimated. But let's see if our answers were close to what we got over here. Okay, so for 4 hours, I'm looking at 4 down here. And I'm going to go straight up from there. And it looks like we're at exactly 36, so that actually worked out. So I can see that after 4 hours, she made $36. Okay, let's see if 12 hours was accurate. So I'm at 12, I go all the way up to the graph, and I can see that she made 108, and that's what we guess, or that's what we got down here, so that's right. Be careful with the graph though, because if you're graphing by hand, it might not always be super accurate, but it did work out in this one. So you can either use the data in the table or you can use a graph to get your answer.